Hi there, my name is Charles West, and I am making this video to help to spread the word about a really marvelous, talented, and extraordinary woman. Her name is Jacquie Bird. And the reason why I'm making this video is because a few years ago, I had received a cancer diagnosis, which put my mind and my body into a very, very harsh, dark night of the soul for about 5 or 6 months. And I was seeking a lot of outside help to help me with my emotional and physical state. I would get acupuncture twice a week, and I found out about Jackie's healing sessions, her healing work, which is an amazing combination of sound, of meditation, physical things that she does. I mean, it's really extraordinary. I had 3 sessions with her over the span of a couple months. And I have to say, it was really transformational for me. I introduced her to a group of friends, and we had a group session one time. And in fact, I know that Jacquie does facilitate group, she calls them StressBuster workshops. And I just want to put the word out there that she is marvelous. She is extraordinarily gifted and talented and loving. And if you yourself, anyone you know, or if you have a community group, a church group, any groups at all, you would be very, very well served in reaching out to Jacquie Bird. And just sending so much love to you, Jacquie. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Charles, for that incredibly beautiful testimonial. I really appreciate it. Folks, workshop information and details are in the description. The link is there for tickets and more info. If you can't make it, consider booking a private, group, or online session at JacquieBirdSpiritualWellness.com. Thank you for listening.